Welcome students. In previous videos we have done so many questions from the topic combination. Here we will do a very interesting question from the same topic, combinations. Here question is find n if 2nC3 is to nC2 is equal to 12 is to 1. So we have to find the value of n here. Here we should recall a formula of combination. We write NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r whole factorial. So by using this formula, here we can write 2nC3 is equal to 2n whole factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial is to nC2 is n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 12 is to 1. And let us convert this ratio sign into multiplication. Then this numerator and denominator will exchange among themselves. So we can write, or this is 2n whole factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. Okay, as it is. And here we will write this expression in numerator. So 2 factorial n minus 2 whole factorial by n factorial, this is equal to 12. Fine. Now let us simplify it further. This 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial divided by this 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, and this is 2n minus 3 factorial. Here 2n minus 3 factorial will be cancelled out. Okay, and into this 2 factorial is 1 into 2, so 1 into 2 will be cancelled out here, and this n minus 2 whole factorial divided by this n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 whole factorial is equal to 12. So here we are getting, this is 2 into 2, 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 12, or multiply this factor with 4, we are getting 8n minus 4 is equal to 36 by cross multiplication, or 8n is equal to, this minus 4 will be transposed to right hand side, so this is 40, or n is equal to 40 by 8, this is equal to 5. So here answer is n is equal to 5. This is the answer. Okay, very simple, very interesting question. Hope you got the solution.